Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to send cryptocurrency on Cobo Wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open your Cobo Wallet application from your app drawer and also make sure to log into your account. Now, go ahead and tap on the wallet option at the bottom of the screen to get to your wallet. Tap on the send button located at the top right in order to send any cryptocurrency. Now, choose the cryptocurrency from the coin tab that you would like to send from the list. You can also search for a specific coin that you would like to send inside the search box at the top. And once you are done, select the coin and then in the send page, you will need to enter the wallet address of the recipient in the first text box. You can also tap on the scanner icon and scan the wallet QR code from the recipients. Now, after the wallet address has been entered, go to the next field and enter the amount of BTC or any other coins you are willing to spend. You will then see the value of BTC displayed right next to it. After you are done filling in all of the details in this page, tap on the send button at the bottom and also make sure to ensure you have sufficient funds to cover the transaction and any fees. Follow through the prompts and that way you should be able to send a cryptocurrency on Cobo Wallet. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next video. Thank you for watching.